let me just round up for our viewers, especially those who have flights to catch today, what you have to keep in mind. This Microsoft tech glitch is affecting largely airports in the country. That's the biggest impact really it's had in India. So Indian airline services have been affected. Multiple statements that have been put out by airlines saying that their ground ops have been affected. But as a result of that, are we seeing cancellations? Have flights been grounded so far in India? The answer is no. At this point, it's been made very clear by the DGCA that no such decision has been taken. Only ground operations have been hit. And we're talking about check-in services and, security, all of that getting delayed. So far, SpiceJet, Indigo, Akasa Air, Air India, they were all confirmed disruption. So all your major airlines facing a problem right now. Check-in services are being done manually. The personnel on ground doing everything they can to kind of deal with the situation at hand, even handwritten boarding passes. For the first time ever, we're seeing something like that happening right now at airports. Suryagni Roy is joining me live from Kolkata Airport with more of what's happening in Kolkata right now. I'm sure it's a similar situation, Suryagni, as Delhi and Mumbai. Are we seeing a lot of flight delays? How much of a delay are we talking about in Kolkata?
Well, what we are seeing since afternoon when we arrived over here is that there are different kind of visuals over here. One good thing that we have seen over here is that these are the kiosks, the DG Yatra registration kiosks. Thankfully, these are working. I'll just speak to them. Ma'am, आप कहाँ पे जा रही है?
बॉम्बे से न्यूयॉर्क।
आपका फ्लाइट डिले हुआ है या
नहीं डिले नहीं है। नहीं बोर्डिंग पास नहीं आ चुका। मैं अभी मैंने আমি এখন না एक
ডিজি যাত্রাটা চলছে।
হ্যাঁ।
So, this is one kind of a picture that she hasn't received her boarding pass as of yet. That is a problem, but the DG Yatra is working and her flight is still on time. The flight hasn't been delayed. She'll be going to Bombay, then to New York. So it's an international flight. The reason why it's important because it's an international issue right now over here. And an international flight from Kolkata via Bombay to New York, it's not delayed. So that's a good thing. Secondly, what we see over here is, there are multiple flights which are delayed. Yes, they are delayed. There's a flight of Akasa, then there's a flight of Air India, even Vistara that I can see. However, there are, the flights which were delayed a while back. The normalcy is returning from being delayed. The security checking process has started. That's what we are understanding. And one thing that we have seen over here in the Kolkata airport premises is that generally in various other airports of the city, which our other colleagues are constantly showing, the kiosks for boarding passes are generally kept outside. But over here, the system is still not, it's still not there. So the registration kiosks that we see, it's for DG Yatra only. So no one can come and take out a boarding pass to get in. So all the kiosks for boarding passes or boarding pass publishing, it's inside. So the technical difficulties that passengers will face will be inside once they are, they have, moved in. Some of the flights, as we have been mentioning, it is, yes, there has been a delay, and the process that is happening is a very, very manual one. And what we have understood and calculated is that it's being delayed by almost an hour or so. The reason might be that as it's being done manually, getting, let's say, 200 people on board. On an aircraft manually, writing down their tickets, that will take time.
Of course, and because of that, there will be delays. There's no doubt about it. But you look at the situation globally right now, and you look at how other countries are affected, how many of them have chosen to even go ahead and ground all flights. Compared to that, India at this point is trying to cope with the situation. Let's run you through all the countries that are affected. We've just told you about the situation right now in our country. Now, statements have come in from several countries. Australia, for example, has confirmed that, yes, they're facing huge problems. Many of their media outlets have stopped functioning. You've got, in fact, New Zealand, America, Germany, which have all been affected, Israel, Turkey, all of them also at this point affected by this outage. And they're all in different ways, really. In some cases, it's flights. In some cases, it's more. Let's cut across to an official reaction from the government.
सभी यात्रियों को इसकी सूचनाएं दें, इससे अवगत करें और हम सभी लोग डीजीसीए हो, हमारा मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सिविल एविएशन हो, हम इस पे काम कर रहे हैं, मॉनिटरिंग कर रहे हैं। पूरे विश्व में माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की क्लाउड सर्विसेज डाउन होने के कारण सभी सेवाएं में दिक्कतें आ रही है। हमारे देश में भी हमारे एयरलाइंस सर्विसेज जो उसमें ग्राउंड ऑपरेशंस भी ब्रेक हुए हैं, लेकिन मैन्युअली अभी उस पर काम चल रहा है। डीजीसीए और मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सिविल एविएशन उसका मॉनिटरिंग कर रहे हैं। हमने सभी जो एयरलाइंस कंपनियां हैं उनको अवगत कर दिया कि आप सभी यात्रियों को इसकी सूचनाएं दें, इससे अवगत करें और हम सभी लोग डीजीसीए हो, हमारा मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सिविल एविएशन हो, हम इस पे काम कर रहे हैं, मॉनिटरिंग कर रहे हैं। पूरे विश्व में माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की क्लाउड सर्विसेज डाउन होने के कारण सभी सेवाएं में दिक्कतें आ रही है। हमारे देश में भी